Now, only if I can just pull this one can. Hey everybody, today I think I need to make some spray paint storage. I was throwing around a couple ideas, but I think I landed on this 3-inch ABS plastic tube, but I want to angle them a little bit up so it sits about at like a 15-degree angle. I don't want that to happen. I want them to naturally want to sit back into it. About 5.5 inches long, and yeah, let's cut some tubes. One tube down, let's chop up another one. Well, all those are cut. Now I need to clean up all these little burrs inside of here. The easiest way that I found to do this is with the Dremel tool, and then we're pretty much set for putting them together. That stuff likes to get everywhere. I got them all done. Yeah, it took a minute. But now they're all pretty and smooth, and they won't cut my hands. I need to do some thinking time. Okay, I think I got a game plan. I screwed this piece of scrap board to the table, which is 90 degrees, which is surprising. And since these all have a 15-degree angle, it's gonna be a little weird for the glue up. So if you stick this on it and rotate it, it'll kind of find its place and it feels like it's locked in. And then I'll bring the next one in, kind of rotate it, and it'll butt up. So it's 90 degrees this way, and then it's exactly 15 degrees this way. I got some just ABS PVC cement, or ABS tube cement. All I have to do is take a swab of it, kind of put it on one edge, and then slide up in there. I want to know why these things have such a bad design lid. No matter how easily you put it on, the next time you come back, you can't get it off. Every time. It doesn't matter like who puts it on, every time. Yummy. That worked out pretty good. I got the first 2 runs done. They're in really good shape. They feel strong. Okay, time to make more. Okay, glue up complete. Now to put a frame around it and hang it on the wall. That does it. I think it's up and out of the way enough that it won't actually hinder me, and it also keeps everything in line of sight so I can actually see what colors I have. If you have any questions or suggestions, shoot them down in the comments below. I love reading everybody's. And until next time, see you later. Ooh, it feels like perfectly. Hello.